Hello friends, welcome back to my channel How To. I am Sabyasachi. Today I will tell you another new trick. The trick is how to use WhatsApp in any language. So let's begin this video. Please watch this video till the end. And at the end of this video you will know how to use WhatsApp in any language. So let's begin. First what you have to do, you have to open your WhatsApp. Let me open my WhatsApp. You have to click on the icon. I select. This is the interface of my WhatsApp. Then what you have to do, click on the three dots. Then you have to move to settings. Click on settings. Then you will find 5 options: account, charge, notification, storage data, help. From these options, click on charge. This interface will pop up on your screen. So from this interface, from this screen, go to app language. Click there. Here in the next page you will get so many languages like English, Hindi, Bangla, Marathi, Gujarati. So anyone, whatever you want to choose, you just click on that language. Suppose I want to choose it to Hindi. So first what I have to do, I have to click on Hindi. I have to click on Hindi. Let me click on it. Hindi. देखिए, see, the total language has been changed to Hindi. In this way you can change to any language as per your wish, as per your comfortability. You can choose any language. Suppose you want to return back to English, then once again follow the same procedure. Then go to app की भाषा, यहाँ पे click कीजिए, then select English, then it will be changed to English. This way you can change to any language. You can use your WhatsApp in any language. So guys, this was a short video how to use your WhatsApp in any language. If you really like this video, please hit a like, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. I provide this type of videos related to technology. So stay tuned. Thank you once again. Meet you in the next video.